Water. What do you really know about water? Two hydrogen molecules stuck to an oxygen molecule, essential for life. But outside of that, what do you really know about water? Water is one of the most mysterious liquids on the planet. Did you know water should be a gas at room temperature? All similar molecules, such as hydrogen sulfide and ammonia, are gases at room temperature. No one really knows why water isn't. There are at least 16 different phases of ice. All of them have different crystal structures at different temperatures. Water expands when it freezes, unlike every other liquid. This is why ice floats in water, even though most other solids sink in their own liquid. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. Nobody really knows why. Water dissolves more things than any other liquid, including sulfuric acid. One of the coolest things about water is an experiment done by Dr. Masaru Emoto. He developed a microscope that let him observe water structures as it started to freeze. And doing different experiments, he comes to find out that our words and our intentions have effects on water. He found out that higher vibration words and intentions such as love, happiness, joy would cause the water to form into some beautiful geometric structures, whereas the negative vibrations would make it, not so pretty structure. They'd be very dissident and just not very good to look at. So the next time you get angry or have a foul word to say to someone, remember, our intentions, our words have effects on people because we are mostly water. Think about if we could just go all day just with high vibrations towards our fellow man, how much better the world would be. This is Jeremy with I Want to Know More, and like, share, subscribe. Thank you. As we learned in the last video, water is one of the strangest liquids in the universe. There are over 60 things about water we don't understand. So let's talk about one of the strangest of all, how we affect water, and in turn, how we affect ourselves and others with our words and intention. As I mentioned in part 1, Dr. Masaru Emoto's water experiment proved that our words could alter the way water would crystallize. But after people claimed it could easily be altered, he came up with the rice experiment, where he took 3 jars and put rice in them and sealed them up. Then he placed labels on one. He said, "Thank you," 1, "You're an idiot," and leaving 1 unlabeled for a control. Each day for a month, he spoke what was on the label. After the month, the "thank you" fermented, the idiot turned mostly black, and the control turned a green-blue color. Some people around the world have done this same experiment, with the control only being a little different from the positive vibration words. The takeaway being, the negative vibration words made the rice rot and mold, and the positive prevented it. But even stranger, there is no creation story for water. It existed with the Creator. I wonder if water could be an extension of God. We were made in His image, therefore we are creators. Being that we are mostly water, we have the power to influence the water inside us and those around us. So let's create life and beauty with our words instead of destroying with negativity. We are children of the Most High, so let's use His gift to make us and each other beautiful. This is Jeremy with I Want to Know More. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Jeremy with I Want to Know More. Let's talk some more about water. As I discussed in previous videos, water is strange both physically and spiritually. So let's talk a little bit about the spiritual side of water and the possible implications. The photo above is from an experiment where 2 glasses of water had electrodes placed inside them, and when an electrical current was passed into the water, a bridge was formed. That's right, the water itself formed a bridge. Not only that, you can pass a glass rod through it, and the bridge will form back. So water seeks out water when an electrical charge is induced. Is that why we all seek out a connection with someone? Could water and the ether work together? Since our bodies emit an electrical field, could water and ether work together to attract charged water with the same vibrations to manifest things around us? What if water is like Jehovah's 3D printer material? He spoke and water materialized it, like in Genesis 1:9. And God said, "Let the waters under heaven gather together unto one place, and let the dry land appear." And it was so. So it kind of seems that water is the building blocks of Jehovah. Water has memory. Some would say sentient. Water, just like energy, cannot be created or destroyed. What if the intent and invocation of Yeshua changes the vibration of water inside and around us, so we have a direct connection to Jehovah, the Creator? And if this is hard to believe, let me point out the Hutchison effect, where a man named John Hutchison transmutated metals with magnetic frequencies. He was able to turn a chunk of aluminum into a gooey state and a bar of steel into a metal not known on any metallurgical chart. So is it too much to think that the Creator could use frequencies to transmutate water into solid land? Did you know that water could create light, called sonoluminescence, using frequencies and pressure? I'm not saying this is definitely what's going on, I'm just exploring possibilities. So if you learn anything with these videos, I hope it's we affect the water around us, and in turn, the people around us. So let's speak life, not destruction. Let's spread happiness, not fear. Let's do what Jehovah put us here to do. Create a beautiful world. We are here to love others and Jehovah with all our hearts. Everyone is our neighbor. Thanks for listening. This is I Want to Know More. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.